Have you ever wondered what it sounded like to be on the other end of a suppressed rifle down at the far end? Well, today I'm going to shoot 3 rounds down here. I've got a camera facing back toward me, and we'll just see how loud it is when you're down at the end where the bullets are coming in. Okay, so now we're back up here. What do you think of that? Was that quiet? It's not movie quiet, but it should be quieter than a regular gun. So, tell me what you think about it. Have a good day.